If you want to remove a header in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it in just a few clicks. Whether your document has an unwanted header, an old page title, or you just want a cleaner layout, this method is simple, effective, and works great for beginners. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps many of the page layout and document design tools, including headers and footers. After you click Insert, look for the Header button in the Header and Footer group. This section is usually near the top of the ribbon and it gives you quick access to any header options currently being used in your document. Click the Header button to open the Header menu. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see different built-in header styles if one has been added already. What you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu and select Remove Header. This tells Microsoft Word to delete the header from the document. As soon as you click Remove Header, the header area should disappear from your pages. In many cases, Word will automatically update the document right away, so you may notice the top margin and page layout shift slightly once the header is gone. If your document contains multiple sections, you may need to repeat this process for each section that has a separate header. If you don't see the header disappear immediately, click back into the document or scroll through a few pages to confirm the change. It's always a good idea to check more than one page, especially if your file is longer or uses different section formatting. And that's it. You've successfully removed a header in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can really help clean up the look of your document. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and practical Word tips, Google Docs guides, and everyday software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.